I got to take the book. It doesn't bite, right? One day. Oh, pick your jaws from the floor. Oh, let me blend it.
The trash is screaming?
Hey, heading just like in the cave. Oh.
Are you okay? Let me help.
Thank you very much. Vamp Club? Hey, oops. You are not a vampire. But
the Count is counting on us.
Yeah, I know. Not again. Get that thing off. This is all fake. Step 1, Helen costume. Step 2, gun fangs. Step 3, loads of hair gel. This doesn't work. Let's go to plan B. Start with the face and hair makeover. Then just copy their feet and boom, I'm a vamp. Let's start. Girl, these things have their own pulse. Wait a sec, I choose you. Watch the magic happens now. Beauty is like parachute jumping. All it takes is just a little push. This one was kind of gross, but this takes the cake. Wish me luck. Oh, ew. But wait a second. Are you thinking what? Yeah. This is hands down one of the grossest moments of my life, folks. Isn't this much hair, gal? Now for the secret ingredient. Shine bright like a diamond. Doesn't look too appealing, but wait a bit. Okay, I think it's just right. It's going to work. Rub it on, baby. Boom, and the cherry on top. Make it double. This rat is making me hungry. Oh, they are still here. I need to fix it. Oh, baby powder. This will do it. Pour it on me. I'm the new Salt Bae. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Do you feel that, pimples? This is... What's going on? Wow, look at my face. Time for that Superwoman transformation. Bye. Now, let me check. For fun, for sun, for PC, for math. Yep, we got a winner. It's empty. Red eyes, black dragon, and brand new fangs. Nice. Let's do it. Boom. Let's be light. Tick-tock, here I come. I spy with my little eye. My next prey. I see the world in a new light now. Busted. It's going so well. The clothes. So, let's spin. Oh, there is a little something I would like to use. Watch me do it. Morticia will take a fashion lesson from me soon. Boom. Nah. This. Or this. So classy. I have a black belt in Gothic fashion, and I'm just getting started. I'm ready. Does this get your blood pumping? I hope so. Oh, but something is missing. Got to mark your territory. Does this even look realistic?
That I said, but you're AB minus, boy. Is that?
Are you thinking? Yep. What? Whoa! What? The Vamp Club? Am I dreaming? Finally!
Welcome to the club. Have a drink.
Yay! Oh, drink it. But I'm not very thirsty. Oh my. Here goes nothing. Do I have my puking bag with me? Awesome!
This was late! Congratulations! Good job! You made it into your club!
Not today. I don't think so. It's just super hot sauce.
Don't stress it.
To win this, you have to pass some challenges. You pass the hot sauce, but the manipulation awaits you. X-ray vision, the cold hands, the shiny skin.
Is it scientifically possible to be cool with a Cartoon Network shirt on?
Oh, here is the victim.
Watch this.
No, I don't think it's possible.
Hey, you.
Huh? What did you?
Now, act like a cat. And make it a good one.
Yes, I'm a cat. Meow.
You see?
Meow. Meow.
Oops.
What happened?
Now it's your turn.
Hey,
What?
can you, do my homework?
Do it yourself.
Go on.
You're doing great.
Mom, don't watch this.
Take this.
Yes, I got it.
Amazing job.
Please thank me. Pick up your crown, King.
Somehow she succeeded. No way she passes the X-ray vision test. Maya, demonstrate.
You're gonna like this one. Do I look like Supergirl now? I hope the editor does his job properly so it looks legit. What do we have here? Secure the bag, or shall I say the vase? You see? Easy money.
Oh man, what shall I find? Glad you asked. I'll go and hide this.
No cheating.
Oh no. Oh, crafty vampire. My job is done here. Hey you. Oh, use the force, girl. You can do it. Ha! She'll not make it.
Just give her a chance. Just wait.
I'm back. Oops.
You brought so much goodies.
What is this junk?
Guys, look! Whoa, give it that! Whoa, new controller! New headphones! Wow!
I could use that. Look, it's my necklace. Look, she found it. She found it. Do you think it's time?
Congratulations. Okay, an Eskimo kiss maybe. Cold hands? They're kind of cold, right? Okay. I need to go to the bathroom.
Is she okay?
Let's cool things off now. That's it. Kids these days. I got to solder off of this one. Hey, it actually feels kind of nice. I'm truly a cool kid now. I'm ready. Did it just… whatever. Let's do it. Okay.
She's special. She passes this one with an A+. She totally deserves it. Deja vu.
Yay!
Are you too excited?
My cat did it. Her bladder is out of control. This was so not cool. It was embarrassing, but everything is going according to plan. I'm starving. Garlic, nature's antibiotic. Yummy. is that? Huh? Who's eating garlic? Oh, it's her! Caught in 4K! Hey! I have all the evidence. I'm going to Maya. What? Oh no! Maya, you have to see this!
What? I don't see anything.
What? Oh, I don't understand!
It's nothing, but
You
there's
have
nothing.
Maya, come here! Please come here! Wait!
Everyone outside! We have a gym class!
Whatever. Let me pack my stuff.
Are you coming with us?
I need to change clothes. Oh, my clothes call. I need to find my shine. Yay!
Glitter glue.
Game on, baby. This is gift from the universe. But I got to act quick. Don't do this at home, kids. Your dermatologist might have a problem with that. Yay!
Miss that Transylvanian weather.
Yeah, way too hot here.
You need to get up! Gym class now!
Gym class now. Where's the new girl? Huh?
Hope you brought your sunglasses because you're going to look right into the sun. Are you kidding me?
Wow, you look so great. I'll never use this again.
I hope you brought your sunglasses with.
Just stop. There. She has officially passed the last test. You're one of us.
There is one more thing. Show your strength.
I'm sure she can do it, right?
Of course. A lightweight, baby. A lightweight. Let me just do a little gym math. A nice round number. Watch me hook up. She won't do it. Girl, don't take that. Look, I'm Marilla's guardian. All natural athlete. No secret juice.
She's a powerlifting vamp camp.
I can do this all day.
Wait for me.
Ta-da! Where did everyone go?
Huh? Whoa! Oh, I'm so strong! Myron, bruh!
Feeling like a real vamp. Don't tell me. An apple a day doesn't keep the dentist away. Oh, thank it.
Violet? Huh? She must be in pain. I gotta help her. Violet? What a... Fake fangs? Super glue?
Oh no.
You lied to us!
Oh no.
I trusted you!
Buffy, are you around?
That's alright. Violet, I don't want to be a vampire anymore.
Are you sure?
Just do it.
Okay.
What are you waiting for?
All right.
What are you doing to me?
Where is Maya?
Violet, thank you very much for helping me.
No problem. See you later.
See you. Ouch! Sorry about that.
Maya? You're eating a banana.
You know what? The vampire club sucks.